Alright friends, and welcome to Marino Beach Hotel, and today I have a very beautiful news to tell you. This is all about Feed Me Festival 2020. Yeah! Look at these beautiful human beings in this planet, and here a lot of foods around, and okay. So today I'm going to tell you, and I'm gonna taste actually each and every single food here, including maybe dog food also. And before that, we'll take a small break, and we'll tell everyone like who provide food for entire this planet, and bless you or something like that. Okay? Okay. Tell like who provides. Tell me. Not tell me, like just tell. Who provides? 1, 2, 3.
Who provides
Food
food
for this entire world.
this entire world?
Bless you.
Bless you.
Alright, we'll do it again, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna cut this part again, I'll edit it, okay? And who provides
Who provides
food
food
for
for
this entire planet?
this entire planet?
Bless you.
Bless you.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Alright, let's just start. No hurry, but oh my god, look at these babies. Oh wow. What is this called?
Submarines.
You can come here. Yeah. Submarines.
Yes.
So it's only we can see submarines when you go to beach or when you go to.
Well, you can see them here as well.
Oh, this is submarines. How we can eat submarines actually?
You just pick it up and eat it.
So, but before that, just introduce yourself and who you are and.
Right. My name is Danu. I started this. It's called company or whatever this is called. It's called Backup Plan.
Okay.
Backup Plan.
Backup plan.
Yes.
All right.
Which is actually what it's a namesake. It is a backup plan. Started during the COVID situation.
Okay.
Always wanted to start up a restaurant. So this was a good start for me.
All right. This everything happened. This COVID time, like the new idea came to human minds, and they did a lot of fantastic stuff. Like thanks goes to Corona also sometime because a lot of innovative things happened this Corona situation, during the Corona time, right? All right, Miss Danu, is it?
Yeah, done.
Danu, all right.
Also
Danu.
known as DK.
Okay, can I taste something and then?
Yes, please. Okay, so this is beef, and
Okay.
that's a chicken, and
Alright.
that's shrimp. So you want?
I think I love
yeah,
this.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You have to pick it up. I think I. Ready then.
I'm gonna eat this. So, what's your product called? Backup.
Backup plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
It's gonna fall off.
Oh, it's like this.
Yep, you gotta be gentle with it.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna eat now. Okay.
Alrighty.
No, I'm not imagining anything else, but
So.
yeah, I'm not. I'm not imagining anything, but I eat food.
It's food.
All right. It's food, yeah. Oh.
So happy you like it.
Great.
You get the shrimp, or you're just eating the bun.
I boil the shrimps, yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we go, baby. Yeah. Now it's better, yeah. So it's really good. It's so classic, yeah. It's good. It's good. Yeah.
Simple.
You need?
I'm good. I've had enough of it, as you can
Yeah,
see.
you want All
You'll
right.
get a chance, I'm sure.
So tell more about what's your dream? What are the dreams you have with your new
Well, the end
innovative?
goal of this actually is for me to start up my own restaurant. I want to have like a little place where I can have all my friends to come over and eat and enjoy, because I like companies and I like hosting.
Okay.
So that's what I want to do at the end. So hopefully, God's grace and the grace and all that.
Yeah, everything happened because of good reason.
Yep.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
And I can see one day you are opening your restaurant, own restaurant, and you are just sitting there oh, hey baby, this is my restaurant.
Yeah, the first person I'll invite is you. You can come and open.
Namaskaram, thank you very much. And Feed Me team, this is enough for them, right? So we go to another person maybe?
Yes, please.
And also if anyone wanna come to Feed Me festival, how they can contact you? They should have your personal contact number. Call him tonight.
We
or-
have our own website, which is
Okay, website, your website. Her husband, yeah. He's not showing his face, but always like this partnership is really important because when it comes to family business, like always like.
yeah, he keeps the financial support of it. So.
Oh, all right.
Oh, isn't that the way to-
Big shot, yeah. Alright, so your website, tell me.
Yeah, it's called Backup Plan. We're on Facebook and Instagram. We haven't got a website as yet, but we do have a QR code or something. We just got.
Okay.
I'm not very technical about these things, so you
Alright.
gotta talk to me
Anyhow,
about
like if
it.
anyone coming to like Feed Me Festival,
We
just
have the stall there.
yeah, they have stall and check it out because this time we have to support each other and it's happening this 30th at Prana Lounge. Okay, Prana Lounge. Okay, all right. Welcome to Doggerist. What dog?
Delicious.
Doggle, you're talking very, like, not softly but softly, right? Yeah. So this is for, maybe Otara will love it, right? The Otara, she's my very good friend, you know? Yeah. And this is for, okay, tell more about your product, yeah.
So yeah, these are dog treats, and initially I'm just launching with 3 flavors only. So I have chicken liver, peanut butter, and cat and spinach.
Okay.
So these are not like dog food, but they're just dog treats to give your pet when you want to train them, or
Alright.
when you want to like appreciate them when they're being good boys and girls.
Oh
So, yeah.
wow! It's like if any dog doing good things, like we can feed this one
Yes,
and
and
say, oh,
be like,
nice boy, nice
you do
girl,
this again, you get this
nice transgender person or something like that. Like even dogs, right? Maybe, yeah. We don't know, right? Yeah. So because we respect each and every dogs, even heterosexual dogs, transgender dogs, anyone. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we respect each and everyone. So, and anyone want to contact you, like how they can find you, like Doggolicious.
Yes, so we have a page on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want to contact me personally, my number is like I am on WhatsApp.
Okay, call her about dog what?
Dog delicious, dog treats.
Okay, dog eats.
Dog treats.
Okay, dog treats. And call, and she has number, but don't call for any other stuff. Like just call. Call for this product. Okay. Okay, respect. Okay, and you have a good time. And I know, like, if you have really good like ambition, you can do it. Okay. What you think, it's happening. Okay. You have. Okay. Each and every positive thoughts you have. Okay. And you have a beautiful smile. Okay, okay. Let's come to a delicious and very cool ice cream.
Yes.
And I love this because most of the time we are using like plastic one.
Yeah.
But this one also you will improve later.
Yes.
And can I taste?
Yes, of course, yes. So I've got few flavors here.
All right.
So I'll open it. Oh, you can taste. This is
And I
tamarind.
forgot to eat dog. Okay.
So that's
What's the flavor?
That's tamarind.
Tamarind.
Yeah.
And what's your product called? Scream.
It's called ice cream. So when you eat the ice cream, you scream.
Scream.
Yeah.
Only when we eat ice cream, we scream.
Yeah.
All right.
Only if you eat this ice cream, you scream.
Okay. Only we eat ice cream, we
Yeah, local
scream.
taste as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I gonna eat ice cream and. Alright. Okay. Wait. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, it's kind of, sorry. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
But sorry, I don't want to waste your everything because
Yeah,
like
but you can taste.
you can sell, you know, like.
No.
Yeah.
It's alright. You can taste. I brought them for you to taste
Oh,
today.
but,
Yeah. So I've got Milo here. There's passion fruit.
Oh, all right.
There's Baileys.
Where
And
the fashion fruit?
that's passion fruit.
Wow.
That's with
Brother, you can eat, okay? Her partner there, so he's always supporting and encouraging and
That's the passion fruit.
yeah.
Yeah. It's got a bit of chili in there, but it's not spicy.
Okay.
You will feel a difference. Try it.
All right. And also like how this idea came to your mind, like to start something like this.
Yeah, so last year when I was doing my postgraduate, I always had this idea of becoming an entrepreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, so I didn't have much time to spend. So during lockdown,
Are you an entrepreneur now?
I think I'm on the path to become an entrepreneur.
No, she's an entrepreneur. Say it, everyone. She's an entrepreneur. Yeah. It's just, if anything come into your mind, even maybe you don't have product,
Yeah.
but the idea is a valuable thing, you know?
Yeah.
Idea.
Yeah.
Like I have an idea one day to talk to like 50,000, like millions of people, like going to stage and talking to them.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant idea. So I'm always like, you know, like that. So how they can find your thing, like your product and your business?
Yeah, so we are on social media, like we are on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay.
And so through that you can contact us.
Mm-hmm.
How is the passion fruit?
I love it. It's like when you talk about passion fruit, like when it's going to like our mouth, like we'll feel like passion fruit, but it's like passion fruit, like kind of good, like very charming, very kind, you know, like like not like hard, you know, like soft, like
Very
you know,
smooth.
very smooth. Yeah. Don't I mean misunderstand what I'm saying, but yeah.
We got other flavor sauce to try.
No, it's okay because.
No, it's alright. It's all for you to try.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's okay because I'll take this. I mean, I have friends also, you know, back home.
Yeah, sure.
No, only two. All right, and this is really nice.
Thank you.
Guys, check it out. You can come to Feed Me Festival and you can find these things. And COVID-19, I think it created good stuff and bad stuff, but these are the good stuff we have currently. And let's promote this smallholder business people. And it's not small or big. It's a fantastic idea. Yeah. Who said small or big? Did I say? No, I didn't say. I didn't say. Let's welcome our two guests here. Hi. Salman Khan. Salma. Oh, they have some familiar food, but I saw this one when I was in Bangkok. What is this?
And that's satay, beef satay.
Okay. And what are the other things you have?
This is nasi goreng and this is biryani.
This biryani. This nasi goreng.
Yes.
What are the other things?
That's
All right. So tell me more about your product. Yeah.
So we just kind of just fell right into it. We have always been good chefs. I guess.
You just felt like you're right.
Just fell right into it.
Yeah, right.
This is both the spices we use for both are like our own kind of spice mix. So that's
Can you
why-
smell that?
Yes.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah. It's nice.
We go by the name of the wok.
Off the
Wok.
wok.
Yes.
What's the meaning?
We cook using a wok.
Okay.
So off the wok.
Off the wok. All right. So you both do this.
We are both doing it.
Alright, so if you are coming to Feed Me Festival 2020, it's gonna held in 30th August at Prana Lounge, and you can meet Miss Salman Khan, Miss Salma, and her Sajida, and you can have nice biryani and nasi gura.
Yes, nasi goreng.
And also, all right. Yeah. So okay, if you like, if you want to eat this kind of food, if you want to eat ice cream, if you want to eat dog foods, doesn't matter. If you want to eat submarine or dolphin or whatever it is, you can come to Feed Me Festival. And let's go to our last.
Why don't you try first?
Yeah, I can try. Yeah.
So that's a grilled cheese sandwich, and we make it with a local cheese from Jaffna. Grilled cheese.
Okay, I love cheese. I love cheese. Yeah. No, because when we eat food, like people are not enjoying. They sometimes talking, you know, like they're not like enjoying food, like you know, like even when I eat something, like normally, like always my mind saying like we should thank to each and everyone who did this good job, even not you, who provide this each and every material.
Yeah.
So it's not like before eating, like I'm doing like kind of not like that. Even when you eating, you should be mindful about like to thank to everyone.
Yeah.
Because so many people around the world today, they don't have single food. Holy shit, I have now 5-6 food here. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this beautiful creation. Yeah, okay? Yeah. I got it. It has cheese. Yeah? Yeah, and bread. And what are the other things inside?
There's chili, lots of butter.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter.
Yeah. So if you enjoy these foods, you can come to Feed Me Festival.
Would you like to try this?
This is your parcel.
So this is Pepper Valley is the brand that we use mostly for our meats.
Okay.
So we do some sausages. They're all local. There's no binders. All natural ingredients. They eat the sausages.
Okay.
Our buns are custom made with caramelized onions. And it's a typical hot dog, but we use organic local meat.
Why people say a hot dog? Like why not hot cat or something?
Dogs are better, no?
When I was in USA, like I saw some hot dogs, but I can't eat. You know, like it's not like this.
So why don't you try that? There's some
Yeah,
barbecue sauce.
you
can
got
dip
me.
it in there.
Yeah. But I'll try. And what is this?
That's some barbecue sauce.
Can I put it here?
Yeah?
Right. Like this?
Yeah. Anywhere
Smoothly?
you like.